Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about scholarship from the Scholarship Foundation of the Republic of Austria for undergraduates, graduates and postgraduate students. This is fully funded scholarship program. We will discuss in details. Before discussing in details, I request you, as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can receive all upcoming important videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened the official page, official grants page of scholarship from the Scholarship Foundation of the Republic of Austria for undergraduates, graduates and postgraduate students. Country of origin: when you will apply and you will be admitted and selected for a scholarship, then you have to study your undergraduate courses or graduate in Austria. Destination country is Austria. Austria is one of the European countries, and it's a beautiful country. Subject area to apply: natural sciences, technical sciences, medicine, health sciences, agricultural sciences, social sciences and humanities. Mostly all subject areas are available to apply for this scholarship program. Funding type: it depends semester wise or annual grants and research grants. For example, postgraduate students, when they will apply and they will be selected for grants, then they had research grants. So according to your research, this scholarship program will be, or grants will be paid to them. Target group: I have already told you, undergraduates, graduates and postgraduate. Duration: its duration, the quota depends on the budget. For example, sometimes they pay monthly grant rate euros 1050 euros per month, and this scholarship program covers health insurance and all your health insurance up to your studies, completion of your studies. Accommodation and all travel expenses will be covered by this scholarship program. Application form, you can see here, you have to apply only online. We will open this and we will be on official page of scholarship. Students can apply online. Research grants can be applied for bachelor's thesis, for diploma and master's thesis, and for dissertations. Applicant must not have studied, researched, scientific work in Austria in the 6 months period to the start of the grant. For example, if you want to be eligible for this scholarship program, you should not have previous studies in Austria. Maximum age for doctoral programs are 40 years, and the maximum age for master's and undergraduate program is 35. The deadline for this scholarship program is September 1st of this year, 2022. Documents required: your updated curriculum and all your academic degrees and transcripts, letter of recommendations, confirmation of the supervision, scanned passport and all other required documents. For example, if you have an experience certificates, research or any articles, for if you are applying for PhD, then you have to submit. And here it's mentioned journal information. So it's very easy to apply for this good opportunity. If you have any further question about this scholarship program, you can ask me in comments or you can contact me directly on Telegram group. So this is all about today's video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.